Hi everyone. This question says, write an equivalent system with integer coefficients. Okay, so here we go. So really what we're trying to do here is just get you comfortable with the preliminary steps to solving a system, because we know most people, if not all people, are not really happy with the fact that you've got fractions in here. Okay, so what we're going to do here is just get used to this idea that you can multiply the two equations in a system by different values. Okay, so notice in this first case here that I've got a 7 in the denominator, okay, in both those terms. So here's equation 1, here's equation 2. In equation 2, there's a 6 here and a 3 here. Okay, well the least common multiple between 6 and 3 is going to be 6. Okay, don't multiply those two together. Don't go, well 3 times 6 is 18. Now you can, but you're using a much larger number than you need to. So here, there's a common denominator of 7, so I'm going to multiply equation 1 by 7. Now I have to multiply every term by 7. It's really important that you understand that in order to maintain that equality, okay, I have to multiply the left side, which means distributing it across, and against the right hand side. But the goal here is to get rid of the denominators. When I multiply 7 by 3/7, I get 3. Okay, and that'll be 3x. Then I got to multiply it by the 3y here. Now there is no denominator, so when I multiply that, it's just the numerator that's getting affected here. That's going to be 21y. And then when I multiply 438 over 7 by 7, I simply get 438. Now at this point in time, that might be enough for us to determine which of the following systems it is. Let's take a quick look here. Okay, 3x plus 21y is equal to, okay, it could be this one. Okay, well it's not going to be this one right here, because that's backward here. 3x plus, well, okay, it could be c. And it's certainly not going to be D. Okay, so I don't know whether it's A or C here, so I got to do a little bit more work. So in this second equation here, I'm going to multiply that by 6. Okay, and when I multiply 5 over 6 by 6, I'm going to get 5x. Okay, the denominator here is 1, so when I multiply this by 6, it's simply going to be 30y. And when I multiply this by 6, now the 3 is going to cancel with my factor of 6, okay? So 6 is 2 times 3, the 3's will cancel, so I'm left with a 2 in the numerator. 2 times 310 is going to be 620. Okay, so this is 5x plus 30y is equal to 620. 5x plus 30, there it is right there. So the answer to this one is A.